Hey everybody, so this is a GE RPWFE filter. It's standard for GE, and one of the things you'll notice about it is it has the E on the end of it. The E on the end of it tells you apparently that it's electronic and that it knows that it's an official GE filter. Here's the trick. They cost $54, but you can go get a similar filter for about $12 on Amazon. However, if it's the RPWFE, not just the RPWF, it won't let you turn on the water if you put yours in. So there's an answer for this. The way GE does this is on the back side, underneath the label, there's a place where there's an RFID chip. I've already removed this one, but if you were to take a very small screwdriver with a very thin blade and boost that out of there, then go place that RFID chip on the back of your new filter, the GE refrigerator will think that it's the old filter. It'll let you use it. It'll say it needs to be replaced, but you can still use your new filter for $12, not $54. Have a good time with that.